Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Brigade's upcoming project at Moti Nagar by Brigade Group, which is located at Moti Nagar near the Eragadda metro station, Hyderabad, Telangana. Following the successful launch of Brigade Enclave at Moti Nagar, which is now almost completely sold out, Brigade Group is all set to introduce its new upcoming project in the same price location. The launch presents a great opportunity for home buyers, especially for those who missed out on the first project. Before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project. So the marketing office is going to be the same one and your land parcel is right here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now, in the video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, the location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. So, Brigade Moti Nagar is a premium lifestyle residential project by the Brigade Group, and it is spread across approximately 4.5 acres of land parcel. It features 3 towers with 2 basements plus ground 5 floors, ensuring fewer homes. Then around 190 spacious homes, the project features exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. This is your entire connectivity, which is on Moti Nagar main road. Now the nearby landmark and connectivity, Eragadda metro station is only 5 minutes away from here, Amirpet 10 minutes away, Banjara Hills 15 minutes away, and Madhapur as well, just 15 minutes away. Coming to the amenities part, the project provides you with premium and world-class amenities like a clubhouse, which is going to be 18,000 square feet with multiple features. There's going to be a swimming pool, gym zone, indoor games area, kids play area, landscape gardens, and many more. Coming over to the super built-up area, you see, as mentioned, the project is going to offer you premium residences with super built-up area approximately for 3 BHK 2070 to 2450 square feet and 4 BHK 2600 to 3200 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss and understand the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details. We'll share you the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the exact location to be shown, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of the upcoming Brigade project by Brigade Group, which is located in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.